Next is specimen of check. This is a specimen of check. Here we have two parallel lines. It is known as a cross check. If these two parallel lines are there, that is known as a cross check. We have done bearer and order check. Under order we have two types of categories, open check and cross check. So it is a cross check. It means amount is only transferred in the account of the payee. It cannot be, this check cannot be in cash at counter. So this pay means you will write the name of the person to whom you will make the payment, and here to order or be to bearer and order. So if you will strike the word bearer, it means this is a order check, and if you will strike the word order, it means you will pay the RAM, but the bank will not he will not verify the person whether he is a RAM or not. The person who will show the present this check in the bank, he can encash it from the bank. So it becomes a bearer check automatically. So word, it means the amount which you will write in the words, and here you will write in the figure. Here the person, the drawer who will draw the bill, he will sign here, and here we have a name of the bank, address is given, and after that we have this white line in the check. This shows some digits, and these first set of these digits, it shows a check number, and then these set of digits shows a MICR. MICR means magnetic ink character recognition. This is a MICR code, and then after that this set of digits are new recent addition, and this 29 shows a transaction code. So now let's discuss the MICR band of the check, what it indicates. So first three digits of this MICR code, it indicates the city code, pin code of the city. Next three digits, that is 229, it shows a bank code which is given by the RBI, like which bank it is, like PNB, SBI, etc. Next three digits, that is 027, it shows a branch code. If PNB is has 3 branches in Ludhiana, so it shows a branch code where this bank relates. Next, these set of digits is a recent addition. Next 29, it shows a transaction code. So you just need to learn all these basic things of regarding MICR band of check. Next is types of check. First is bearer and order check. Already we have discussed. Bearer means when name is given but order word is cancelled on the check, and bank will not verify the person. The person who will present the check, he has a right to encash it at the bank counter. Order check, when name is specified on the check and bearer word is cancelled on the check, and it can be open check, means uncross check, or cross check. So cross check means when amount of the check is transferred only in the account of the payee. It cannot be encashed at the bank counter. So we have second category, that is cross and open check. This is a further category of order check. So crossed and uncrossed we have already discussed. So crossed means when amount is transferred in the account of the payee. Uncrossed means when it can be encashed at the cash counter. Third is post dated and stale check. Post dated means when we have future date on the check. For example, today I have drawn a check and I have written date of after 10 days. For example, 10 May. So that is known as post dated check. It means I can encash it only on 10th May. Before that I cannot encash this check and present to the bank. Next is stale check. Stale check, any check when any person draw a check, we can encash, we can present it within 3 months of from the drawing date. But if after 3 months you will present the check to the bank, then you cannot get the amount of that check. It means the check cannot be honored by the bank. Next is we have antedate check. Antedate means when it bears a date earlier than the date on which it is presented to the bank, that is known as antedated check, and it is valid for 3 months from the date of check. Next topic is check in electronic form or truncated checks. So under this we have a topic CTS. You just need to learn the full form of this CTS, that is check truncation system, and meaning of it. Earlier we were using printed checks, and we were using issuing and making the payment through printed checks. But after CTS check, which is very much in use, it is an online system transferring the payment from one to another bank. So let's see the meaning of CTS. CTS is an online image based check clearing system where images and MICR data is captured and transmitted electronically. So this system is very safe and it is a mirror image of paper check, exactly like the paper check we have, and it is signed in a secure system and which maximize the security with the use of digital signature. Clear? So here we have a format of CTS check. Number one, we have some points. Number one shows the address of the bank, of the branch with IFSC code on the top of the check, and then number two, it shows a date in the format of DD, MM, YY, date, month and year with the boxes, and third, on this side, this is a CTS code printed on the left side of the check. Then this is account number, and this fourth column, it shows a photograph which shows a copy while taking photograph of the check below. Then 5, it is a new format of rupee, and 6 is the signature. This is a checkbook. Whenever we have account in the bank account, we will get checkbook, pay-in slip book and passbook. So checkbook is a book in which we have number of checks. It may be in form of 10, 25, 50 leaves are there in the checkbook, and it contains 2 slips also. First is a requisition slip. It is a slip in which with the help of which we can make a request to the bank to issue a new check if our checkbook is used. Okay, so the account holder mention the date, account number, his current account, mobile number, email address, etc. to the banker. Second is record slip. Now record slip means when we issue the check, we need to record like check number, date, in favor of, check amount, deposit, balance, everything we will record in our record slip which is in the checkbook. Next we have a multi-city check. It means these are the normal checks, but it contains a sentence like multi-city checks payable as per all branches of the bank. It means we can use this check, we can draw money from any bank. There is nothing like that on which branch it is drawn. We can get the amount from that particular bank. We can in cash this check as any branch or any branch of the bank concerned without incurring any kind of cost. Clear?